Hi, I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and I have today's productivity and organizing tip for you. Today I'm going to talk about those piles of papers. You have piles because you're not making decisions. So I have 3 tips for you, or 3 questions to ask yourself when you're looking through those piles so you can get rid of the paper. Number 1 question is, why do I need this? If you have a really good, effective, reasonable, logical reason for keeping something, of course, keep it. This would apply to things like, a perfect example would be a contract or a financial document. However, if you're keeping a stack of pads with all your meeting notes from the past 2 years, you probably don't need those. Number 2, do I need to do something? This is a quick and easy way to start sorting out that paper. Pull all the pieces of paper that represent tasks that you need to do. You know, a phone call, an email, maybe you need to talk to a colleague. Pull them out and start working on them, and even better, get those tasks onto your to-do list and get rid of the paper. And number 3, where can I get another copy? If you can figure out where you can get another copy of this information, should you ever need it, and should you ever need it are the key words here, then it's so much easier just to release the paper and get rid of as much as possible. Remember, you're probably going to go online if you need information in the future. It'll be more up to date, it'll be quicker to access than looking through that pile of magazines sitting in the corner of your office. So stay tuned for more tips. In the meantime, please visit my blog at theorganizingzone.com/blog for additional tips. See you next time.